Today, guys, here is a wonderful food called sunrise. Here on Lake Victoria, or Omena in native language Luo, or Daga in Swahili. It's small fish. You can see it's very, very yummy, very, very tasty. So let's dig in, and I tell you the experience in this cyprinid fish, or silver cyprinid in English. In Lake Victoria, it's called Daga or Omena. Very nice, very good. This food is rich in a lot of minerals, a lot of proteins. Very, very, very good. You can see, have some greens here. And this is ugari. Ugari in Kenya is the staple food of this country. If you visit Kenya and you doesn't eat ugali, you are not an average tourist. You have to eat this ugari and experience the taste. Many people call it kavagara. So if you go to a near restaurant in Nairobi or elsewhere around Kenya, ask for kavagara, ugari and omena, and some greens. Very, very tasty. Can see even my friend is digging in. Omena. From charcoal to gold. Can see how a millionaire lives like. He lives like a king. He eats like a queen, a king. Wow. It's good. Is it your first time to eat omena?
I'm used to it. Yeah.
So this has come direct, fresh from the Lake Victoria.
Yeah, this one I have someone who I order direct from. So the delivery comes direct to my residence. And then the first ready, my one and only, does this for me.
Wow.
To make sure that this guy is strong each and every day for him to deliver to the society.
Hey, your wife is the best cook in the world.
She's the best. No one like her. Yes.
Congratulations to her.
Amen.